Hello viewer, if you have an LG model to balance with this specific model number here and the machine doesn't want to spin, it has an error code OE on the display. This is the video for you. There could be a number of issues that stop the machine from spinning with an error code OE. Here's a list of what on the manual said. In this video, I'm going to show you the problem I have and how I'm going to fix it. Here is the door in front of the washing machine, and it has the drain filter. So I'm going to remove that, and that could be the cause of this OE error code. So to remove it, remove the door, just pull it out, set it aside, and then twist this little drain hose. So you want to drain as much water out of the bucket as possible. So here's the filter, and it's full of hair. I have pets, so this is understandable. I'm going to clean it off and put it back together. Some rust stain. I'm not sure what it is, but it's nothing there now. It's all clean. Stick them back in and twist it, lock, turn it until you can't turn it anymore. Snug. And make sure it's sitting flush and push it back in. No more error code. Just a clogged filter. Working perfectly. I hope this video helped you, and if it does, please click like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.